What steps do I need to follow to transfer my GTA 5 game from PS4 to PC?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a detailed guide on how to transfer your Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5, save game from a PlayStation 4 to your PC. Note, this guide assumes you already have a copy of GTA 5 on your PC. If not, you will need to purchase it.
Is transferring GTA 5 save from PS4 to PC possible?
The first thing we need to establish is that directly transferring your GTA 5 save file from PS4 to PC is not officially supported by Rockstar Games, the developer of GTA 5. While the online progress in GTA Online can be transferred by linking your PlayStation Network account to the Rockstar Games Social Club, offline save games cannot be transferred between different platforms.
What can I transfer then?
Despite the limitations mentioned above, what you can do is transfer your GTA Online progress. Your GTA Online character and progression can be transferred if you've linked your PS4 game to your Rockstar Games Social Club account. So, you won't lose your online achievements when switching to PC.
How to link PS4 game to Rockstar Games Social Club?
To connect your PS4 game to the Rockstar Games Social Club, follow these steps. 1. Start your GTA 5 game on PS4. 2. Navigate to the Pause menu. 3. Select the Social Club option. 4. Now, choose Link Account. 5. Enter your Social Club account credentials and follow the prompts to link your account. Remember that the email address associated with your Social Club account should be verified.
How to access transferred data on PC?
After you've linked your PS4 game to your Rockstar Games Social Club account, you can now access your transferred data on your PC. Follow these steps. 1. Install and start GTA 5 on your PC. 2. Navigate to the Pause menu. 3. Select the Social Club option. 4. Now, select Sign In. 5. Enter the same Social Club account credentials you used on your PS4. Once you've done this, your GTA Online progress should be available on your PC. While transferring offline save files from PS4 to PC isn't officially possible, at least we have a way to preserve our GTA Online progress. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Happy gaming!